Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. You all enjoyed your Sunday. So, today we will start our English subject, poem number 2, Bird on the Shore. So, let me tell you a summary of the poem. This poem is about a bird who is being injured by the spill of oil in the seashore. So, my dear students, let's see a video of the pollution about seashore. Okay, let's start. Our ocean. This is the ocean, picture of a seashore. This is the jellyfish. Nearly 4 billion of years, self-regulating, self-healing, the source of all life on earth. Yet it is in danger, threatened by a truly global problem, marine pollution, sea pollution, from the remotest Pacific areas to the bottom of the marine. To right here on the beaches of Malta, you can see here, my dear students, oil spills. Oil is mixing, ship emissions, industrial waste and pesticides, all poison vast stretches of water. 10 million tons of litter are dumped in the sea every year, 400 kilos per second. By 2050, our ocean could contain more plastic than fish. Pollution is destroying marine life. Plastic alone are killing 1 million seabirds and 1 lakh marine mammals a year. Microplastics threaten to unhygiene whole ecosystem. These problems don't stop at sea. Contaminants such as mercury accumulate, affecting the health of millions of people. With 80% of marine litter coming from land sources, everyone is responsible. But the solution is at hand, and it offers a great opportunity. Marine pollution costs billions, switching to circular economies. So, my dear students, let's start with the poem. So, have you seen in the video how our seashore is becoming polluting? So, here is a warm-up exercise. Let's start that. Tick the things that we should do to keep a park clean. Tick the things that we should do to keep a park clean. How can we keep our park clean? Let's start. So, where it is right, you have to put a right, and where it is wrong, you have to put a wrong. Litter on the benches in the park means when you are enjoying in the park, you are playing in the park, you are eating something, and packets you can throw on the benches. Litter on the benches means garbage you can throw on the benches. So, is it right or wrong? Yes, it is wrong. So, wrong. Number 2, leave used plastic bottles under the tree. Suppose you are using drinking water bottles, you are purchasing it from the shop, and after using that bottles, leave used plastic bottles under the trees. So it is right? Yes, correct. It is wrong thing. Where you should keep the plastic bottles? In the dustbin. Correct. Number 3, collect food and waste in paper bags and throw them in dustbins. Wherever you are going for the picnic, wherever you are going for the play, you are eating, and sometimes by mistake it becomes fall down. So collect food and waste in the paper bags and throw them in the dustbin. So is it right or wrong? Yes, it is the right thing, right? Then number 4, pluck flowers and leaves. Yes, that you have to do. Is it right? Whenever we are going in the park, most of us are habituated to pluck flowers and leaves. Means we are breaking them from the plants and trees. Pluck flowers means breaking them from the plants and trees. So is it a good thing, my dear students? No, it is not a good thing. Number 5. Allow your pets to dirty the park. Means you are going with your pet for the walk, your dog or your cat. So it is a good thing to allow them to make a park dirty. No, it is not a good thing. Then number 6, take your litter home if you can't find a dustbin. Dustbins are everywhere, but sometimes it is full or sometimes it is very far away. You cannot find it nearby you. So take your litter, take your garbage home if you can't find a dustbin. So is it right? Yes. Is it a good thing? So let's revise all the true false again. What you have to do and what not. Litter on the benches in the park means you are allowed to dirty the benches in the park. Wrong. Number 2, leave used plastic bottles under the trees. No, it is not a good thing. Number 3, collect food and waste in paper bags and throw them in dustbin. Yes, it is a very good thing. Pluck flowers and leaves means you are allowed to break flowers and leaves from the trees or plants. No. Number 5, allow pets to dirty the park means you are allowed your pet to dirty the park. Of course not. Number 6, take your litter home if you can't find a dustbin. Yes, exactly. So this was our warm-up exercise. Now let's start our poem. As I told you, this poem is about a bird which was injured by the sea pollution, by the oil spills in the sea. And as you show in the video, that oil spills is done by many things. Okay, so let's start. When the sea becomes dirty, many birds and animals that live in and around it are affected. When the sea becomes dirty, many birds and animals that live in and around it are affected. So, read this poem about a girl that is rescued by a kind father and his son. About a girl. Girl is a seabird with a loud call. Loud call means a loud voice, which we cannot find at a normal places like nearby our house or in the park, because it is a seabird that is rescued by a kind father and his son. Rescued means to save. Now here, let me show you the difference between G-U-L-L girl and G-I-R-L girl. Right? So, G-U-L-L girl is a bird and G-I-R girl is a female, small female, a young girl. Okay, pronunciation is little bit same, but the meaning is different. Okay, so let's see the poem. Let's start. A sticky skein of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs our help to break free. A sticky skein of oil is floating on the sea means when a father and a son was walking at the seashore. They saw a sticky skein of oil, like oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs our help to break free. Whichever bird is that bird needs our help to be break free. Right? Let's read that again. A sticky skein of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs our help to break free. Okay, understood the first stanza? Very good. Now, let's see the next stanza. Just like the girl we found, just like the girl we found, half dead among the sands, we wrapped him in a towel, but still he pecked at hands. Just like the girl we found. Girl means a seabird with a loud voice, which normally we cannot find at nearby places, which is only found near the seashore. Pecked means the girl struck the father's hands with its beak. You can see here the meaning. Girl and pecked, both the meanings are given. So, anytime if we are taking any bird in our hand, what they will do? They started to peck our hand by their beak. Right? So, let's read this stanza again. Just like the girl we found, half dead among the sands, we wrapped him in a towel, but still he pecked at hands. Just like the girl we found means it was the bird named girl, half dead among the sands, means it was not alive and not dead. We wrapped him in a towel. Wrapped means cover. Wrapped means cover. We cover him in a towel, but still he pecked at hands. The bird was feeling that they are the enemies, but they were the lifesaver. Now let's see the next stanza. Let's see. It's not job for us, Dad said. It's not a job for us, Dad said. It's not a job for us, Dad said. He needs some expert care. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. It's not a job for us, Dad said. Means, father is saying that we wrapped him in a towel, but we cannot save the bird's life, because we don't know how to take care of it. He needs some expert care. Expert means a doctor of a bird or animal, veteran doctor. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. Now, what do you think, my dear students, where they went? Let's see where they went. They scrubbed and cleaned our girl. They scrubbed and cleaned our girl, then showed us several more, which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. They scrubbed and cleaned our girl, means the girl was full of oil. Skin of the girl was very sticky. So, first they cleaned our girl, then showed us several more. Then they showed us more girls, more birds, which was affected by the sea pollution, which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. They were half dead on the shore, means they were not alive and they were also not dead. Let's see the last stanza. A sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. means wherever we see an injured bird or any animal, we should help them. Understood? So, this poem is written by Brain Moses. So, my dear students, you all like to singing a poem, right? So, let's start with me. We will sing this poem. Read it loudly so everybody at home can listen it. Okay? Start with me. A sticky skein of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs our help to break free. Next is, just like the girl we found, half dead among the sands, we wrapped him in a towel, but still he pecked at hands. Now, what is the next? Let's see. It's not a job for us, Dad said. He needs some expert care. I think I know a place. They will make him better there. Now, what they are doing there? Let's see. They scrubbed and cleaned our girl, then showed us several more, which had been black with oil and half dead on the shore. Now, a sticky skein of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. It is written by Brain Moses. It is written by Brain Moses. Okay. Now, let's see something about the poet Brain Moses. Let's see some work of him. Brain Moses was born in 1950, is one of Britain's most popular poet. Brain Moses, born in 1950, is one of Britain's most popular children's poets. He writes on a variety of topics. Such as monsters, aliens, and angels. His well-known poems include Walking with My Iguana and Snack Hotel. Understood? Okay. Now, let's see the exercise. Here is the picture of a poet, Brain Moses. He is the Brain Moses. You can see that clearly. Right? Brain Moses. This is the poet. Okay. Let's start textual exercise. Yes, it's a favorite exercise of everyone. Take the correct answer. A sticky skein of oil was floating on the sea. A sticky skein of oil was floating on the sea, river, lake. What is the correct answer? Lake? No. River? No. So, what is the correct answer? Sea. A sticky skein of oil was floating on the sea. Very good. Let's see number 2. The speaker and his father found the girl on a rock. No. Among the sands. Think on that. Under a tree. No. So what is the correct answer? Among the sands. The speaker and his father found the girl among the sands. Where they found? Among the sands. Let's see question number 3. They wrapped the bird in a towel, in a shirt, with a newspaper. What is the correct answer? In a towel. What is the correct answer? In a towel. Let's see number 4. The experts showed them several other birds black with paint, soot, oil. The experts showed them several other birds black with paint, soot, oil. What is the correct answer? Oil. What is the correct answer? Oil. Now let's revise this exercise again so you can remember it easily. Okay? Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. A sticky skein of oil was floating on the sea, river, lake. What is the correct answer? Sea, river, lake. So it is a river? No. Lake? No. The correct answer is sea. Very nice. Number 2. The speaker and his father found the girl on a rock among the sands under a tree. The speaker and his father found the girl on a rock among the sands under a tree. What's the correct answer? Among the sands. Yes. Number 3. They wrapped the bird in a towel, in a shirt, with a newspaper. They wrapped the bird in a towel, in a shirt, with a newspaper. So what is the correct answer? In a towel. Very good. Number 4. The experts showed them several other birds black with paint, soot, oil. The experts showed them several other birds black with paint, soot, oil. So what is the correct answer? Oil. Very good. You all remembered that. Very nice. Now let's see the next exercise. Oh, it's very easy. What is the exercise? Write the opposites of these words. Write the opposites of these words. What you have to write in this exercise? What you have to write in this exercise? You have to write opposites. What you have to write? Opposites. Okay. So, what is the opposite of float? What is the opposite of float? Float means a thing which can not sink in the water. Float means a thing which cannot sink in the water. Now easily you can identify. I already tell you answer. What is the answer of float? Opposite of float is sink. Opposite of float is sink. Okay. Number 2, found. Found. Found means what? A father and a son found a girl on the seashore. So you have to found opposite of that. So opposite of found is lost. What is the opposite of found? Lost. Lost. Okay. Now, dead. Dead. What is the opposite of dead? It is not D-A-D, dead. Huh? It is not D-A-D, dead. D-A-D, dead means father. So, here is D-E-A-D, dead. The girl was half dead among the shore. Now, did you remember? Can you tell me what is the correct answer? The girl was half dead among the seashore. Yes, the correct answer is alive. What is the correct answer? Alive. D-E-A-D, dead. Opposite of dead is alive. Now, wrap. W-R-A-P, wrap. So, what is the opposite of wrap? Anyone can tell me? W-R-A-P, wrap. What is the opposite of wrap? The father and a son wrapped the girl in the towel. Wrapped means cover. I told you during the poem, during the explanation. Wrapped means cover. So, what is the opposite of wrap? The opposite of wrap is unwrap. The opposite of wrap is unwrap. Okay. Next is better. Better means very good. So, what is the opposite of better? What is the opposite of better? Anyone can tell? Think in your mind and tell loudly at your home. What is the opposite of better? The opposite of better is worst. What is the opposite? Worst. Now, let's revise the opposites again. Okay, this time you are going to say the answer. I will not tell you. You have to say the answer loudly at your home. Okay. Number 1 is float. So, what is the opposite of float? Float means a things which cannot sink. So, what is the opposite of float? The opposite of float is sink. What is the opposite of float? Sink. Right? Then, number 2, found. A father and a son found a girl half dead among the sand. So, what is the opposite of found? You have to find it. Found means opposite of found is lost. Opposite of found is lost. Number 3, dead. D-E-A-D, dead. Remember I told you, it's not D-A-D, dead. D-A-D, dead means what? Father. D-A-D, dead means father. It's D-E-A-D, dead. What is the meaning of D-E-A-D, dead? A person which is not alive. A person who is not alive. So, what is the opposite of dead? The opposite of dead is alive. Alive. Number 4, wrap. Number 4, wrap. The father and the son wrapped the bird in a towel. Father and the son wrapped the bird in a towel. Wrapped means what? I told you in the explanation of poem. Wrapped means cover. Wrapped means cover. So, what is the opposite of wrap? Unwrap. What is the opposite of wrap? Unwrap. Okay. Number 5, better. Number 5, better. Better means a very good thing. So, what is the opposite of good? Bad. And a similar of that is worst. Worst. Okay. So, how many exercises we have learned today? Let's see that. First, we have learned tick the correct answers. What we have learned first? First, we have learned tick the correct answers. What we have learned? Tick the correct answers. How many tick the correct answers are there? Let's count. 1, 2, then 3, 4. How many tick the correct answers are there? 4. Then we have learned opposites. What we have learned? Opposites. What we have learned? Opposites. So, how many opposites are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my dear students, I hope you enjoyed today's session, today's explanation. So both the exercises, if you are having a textbook, you have to write in your textbook, and if you are not having a textbook, you have to write in your rough book only one time. Okay, so bye bye, take care my dear students.